always rise, written in the starlit sky. Through the fire, through the rain, echoes of love still remain. Hear the rhythm, hear the sound, echoes of love all around. Through the night and through the day, love will never fade away. Echoes of love, calling true. Every heartbeat speaks of you. Echoes of love, shining bright, guiding us through darkest night. Oh, the echo never dies, flowing under moonlit skies. One love carried high above, living in the echoes of love. But echoes of love rise again, healing hearts and breaking chains. Oh, echoes of love, wide and free, lasting for eternity. When echoes of love, calling true, every heartbeat speaks of you. Oh, echoes of love, shining bright, guiding us through darkest night. Oh, yeah. I let Reggae move your soul. Oh, yeah. Feel the sunshine on your face. Island rhythm sets the pace. Every drum beat, every song carries all the love along. Oh yeah. Let the music take control. Island rhythm feeds the soul. shadows long, but spirits high, colors dancing in the sky, heartbeat moving with the tide. Feel that reggae come alive. When the daylight fades away, we just let the music play. Where sunset's skanking by the sea, move your body naturally. Feel that island energy, let your heart run free. Sunset skanking side by side, with the rhythm as our guide. Golden sky and rising tide, no, we cannot hide. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Bonfire sparks begin to rise, reflections dancing in your eyes, laughter floating in the breeze, simple joys that put us at ease. No worries for tomorrow now, only here and only how. Every step upon the ground moves with that reggae sound. Drums up high beneath the glow, let the good vibrations flow. Every color, every creed, one love is all we need. Where sunset's skanking by the sea, move your body naturally. Feel that island energy, let your heart run free. Sunset skanking side by side, with the rhythm as our guide. Golden sky and rising tide, love we cannot hide. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Morning light upon my face, chasing shadows leave no trace. Every step I feel the glow, sunshine in my soul, let it flow. Oh yeah, yeah. Open your heart, let the light shine through. Every day's a blessing, something new. Carry the fire, let the whole world know. The sunshine lives in the soul we grow. Have sunshine in my soul, brighter than gold, warming every story yet untold. Have sunshine in my soul, rising so high, lifting my spirit to the the tide. Voices singing through the storm, breaking silence, hearts transform. Every soul is born to fly. sound.